Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Exercise 2.5, question number 2. Solution. The question is, use synthetic division to find the value of k if minus 2 is a zero of polynomial, and the polynomial is given that x cubed plus 4x squared plus kx plus 8. Let p of x equals to x cubed plus 4x squared plus kx plus 8 is minus 2 is a zero of p of x. Zero of p of x means that when we put this minus 2 value in this, so we will get the remainder 0. But here the k is unknown. We are going to find it by synthetic division. P of x, then by synthetic division we have draw two mutually perpendicular line. The x cube coefficient is 1, x square coefficient is 4, the x coefficient is k, and the constant term is 8. Minus 2 is the 0, write it here. Take this one down. Now 2 into 1 we get minus 2. Add these two, 4 minus 2 we get plus 2. Now minus 2 into 2 we get minus 4. Add these two we get k minus 4. Now multiply this 2 with k, we get minus 2k, and minus into minus plus we get 8. Add these two, so we get minus 2k, 8 plus 8, 16. As minus 2 is 0 of p of x, so this remainder minus 2k plus 16 equals to 0. Because it is 0 of p of x, shift 16 to the right side. Minus 2k equals to minus 16. Now divide both sides by minus 2. Minus 16 divided by minus 2. 2 cancel with this minus, cancel with minus. 2 ones are, 2 8s are. The k value is 8, which is the answer. Now question number 3. Question 3 is, use synthetic division to find the value of p and q if x plus 1 and x minus 2 are the factors of x cubed plus p x squared plus qx plus 6. Solution. Let p of x equals to x cubed plus px square plus qx plus 6, and it is also given that x plus 1 and x minus 2. So here x minus a equals to x plus 1 and x minus a equals to x minus 2. This x cancel with this x. We get minus a equals to 1. Shift minus to the right side or multiply both sides by minus 1. So it remains a, and here we get minus 1. Similarly, this x cancel with this. We get minus a equals to minus 2. Multiply both sides by minus 1. Minus 1 into minus a. Minus 1 into minus 2. Here we get a. and here we get 2. Is x plus 1 and x minus 2 are the factors of p of x, then by synthetic division we have first draw two vertical lines mutually perpendicular line. Write the coefficient of x cube, which is 1, the x square coefficient is p, the x coefficient is q, and the constant term is 6, and the a value, first one is -1 and the other is 2. Take it 1 down, 1 into -1 we get -1, add these two, p minus 1. Now -1 into p we get minus p, minus into minus we get plus 1, so we can write it as minus p plus q plus 1. Now multiply this minus with minus p, we get plus p minus q and minus 1. So add these two, we get p minus q plus 5. This is first remainder. Now divide it by 2. Take this one down, 2 ones are 2. Here we get p, 2 minus 1 we get plus 1. Now 2p plus 2, so 2p minus p we get p, and here q, and 2 plus 1 we get 3. Is x plus 1 and x minus 2 are the factors of p of x. So this remainder p minus q plus 5 will be equal to 0, equation 1, and the second one remainder, which is p plus q plus 3 equals to 0, this is equation 2. Now we will solve these two equations to get the value of p and q. So add equation 1 and 2. P minus q plus 5 equals to 0, p plus q plus 3 equals to 0. This q cancel with this, we get 2p plus 8 equals to 0. Shift 8 to the right side, 2p equals to minus 8. Divide both sides by 2, 2p by 2 minus 8 by 2, 2 cancel with it, we get 4. P value is minus 4. Now put p equals to minus 4 in equation 1 or 2. Let's put it in 1. So minus 4 minus q plus 5 equals to 0. Minus q, 5 minus 4 we get plus 1 equals to 0. Minus q, shift 1 to the right side, minus 1. Multiply both sides by minus 1, or simply these two cancel with each other. Now we get the q value, which is 1. The answer. Try question 4 by yourself. Question 5. One root of the cubic equation x cube minus 7x minus 6 equals to 0. We can write it as x cube plus 0x square minus 7x minus 6 equals to 0. Let p of x equals to x cube plus 0x square minus 7x minus 6. Now as 3 is the root of p of x, so by synthetic division we have draw two mutually perpendicular line, write the coefficient of x cube which is 1, x square coefficient is 0, x coefficient is minus 7, constant term is minus 6, write 3 here, take this one down, 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 0 we get 3, 3 3s are 9, 9 minus 7 we get 2, and 3 2s are 6, 6 minus 6 we get 0. Here q of x equals to, here the x exponent is 0, here 1 and here 2, so we can write it as x square plus 3x plus 2. To find the other roots, take q of x equals to 0, x square plus 3x plus 2 equals to 0. Now we will factorize it. We can write it as x square plus x plus 2x plus 2 equals to 0. Take x common, here we get x plus 1, and 2 common, here we get x plus 1 equals to 0. X plus 1 common, we get x plus 2 equal to 0. Now the product of these two is 0, so we can write it as x plus 1 equals to 0, x plus 2 equals to 0. X equals to minus 1, shift it here, x minus 2. The other roots are minus 1 and minus 2. Question number 6. Minus 1 and 2 are the roots of this equation. Find the other roots by using synthetic method. Let p of x equals to x power 4 minus 5x cube plus 3x square plus 7x minus 2 is minus 1 and 2 are the roots of p of x. Then by synthetic division we have draw two mutually perpendicular lines, write the coefficient of x power 4 is 1, x cube is minus 5, x square is 3, x is 7, and the constant term is minus 2. First take minus 1, take this one down, minus 1 into 1 we get minus 1, so minus 1 we get minus 6, minus into minus plus 6, 6 3 9, minus into 9 we get minus 9, here we get minus 2, and minus 1 into minus 2 we get plus 2, remainder is 0. Now take the other root which is 2, shift this one down, 2 1s are 2, here we get minus 4, 2 4s are minus 8, here we get 1, and 2 1s are 2, we get 2, remainder is 0. So here quotient q of x is x power 0, x power 1, x square. So x square minus 4x plus 1. To find the other roots, take q of x equals to 0, that is x square minus 4x plus 1 equals to 0. Using quadratic equation, here the a value is 1, the b value is minus 4, the c value is 1, using quadratic formula. Which is x equals to minus b plus minus under the root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Put the values here. Minus the b value is minus 4 plus minus under the root minus 4 square minus 4, the a value is 1, the c value is 1 divided by 2, the a value is 1. So here we get 4 plus minus here 16 and minus 4 under the root divided by 2. 4 plus minus under the root 16 minus 4, we get 12 by 2. Take 4 plus minus this 12 under root can be written as 2 under the root 3 divided by 2. Take 2 common, so here remains 2 plus minus under the root 3 divided by 2. These 2 cancel with these 2. The answer is, the other 2 roots are x equals to 2 plus minus under root 3 are the other 2 roots. And 12 under the root can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 under the root. Take 1 2 out of the root and 3. So here we write 2 under root 3. And now when we take 2 common, here remains 2 plus minus under root 3 over 2, 2 cancel with 2. The answer is 2 plus minus under root 3. These 2 are the other roots.